Whoa, whoa, people, say hello to Lizzo.
Why do I call it Lizzo?
Because she's definitely a broke-ass fat hoe. We've got broken ankles. I mean axles.
And her frame definitely is not fine.
She definitely has a bent behind. This is the biggest problem right here. It's not supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like this.
Aaliyah.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can turn this from Lizzo to beautiful like Aaliyah.
I don't know, but I think this part's gotta go too, because it should be round, just like you.
There is one good thing about this here side by side. It definitely don't run like Lizzo because it actually runs pretty damn good.
But unfortunately, it goes about as good as Lizzo would. Okay, so the things that I've noticed that are actually bad about this lower control arm is bent. This outer tie rod is busted too. The axle was busted in half on this side.
If we move out here to her rear, it's nasty there too.
I can tell that this wheel bearing's bad already. I'm pretty sure this sway bar is bent because this whole control arm's moved forward like that. Got a missing axle here. But really the worst part of this is, I don't think this control arm is bent, but this frame is definitely bent right there. It should look like this right here.
So this is a 2018 Polaris S900 that I picked up pretty cheap, obviously. I couldn't afford any more anyway, and I really wanted to have one of these for the new studio. So my friend recommended that I chain it down and then chain it to a tree, put some heat on there, and pull that sucker out. I don't think that's gonna work because of the pinch, and I'll never get the pinch out, and that thing is gonna be super soft in that area. So the question is, what would you do if Lizzo belonged to you? You can answer both questions down in the comments below.
Not certain, but I don't want to do this hacky von hacking style. So I'm kind of considering cutting all the legs, putting this thing on a table and jigging it up to make it square. But that's a lot of legs to cut because we've got all of them back up in there, up here,
Pretty much everything in her rear.
because it needs to be cut right about here to fix it correctly, probably in front of there. Check out that right there versus that right there. Yeah, that's a problem too. As I sit here and look at this thing, I even notice more stuff like this is somewhat square, but then we come over here and we can kind of see this is pitched off and pitched up a little bit.
Now I kind of want to know what you guys would do. I know most of you out there with deep ass pockets, unlike me, would just scrap this thing, but that man math does not add up. Here down at the Clayway, we fix things and we try to do it the right way. But who knows? Doesn't matter. That's why it's called the Clayway, because it's my way and not your way. So down in the comments below, let me know what you would do. I think it's going to be pretty cool. We're going to start disassembling this thing and figure something out. So stay tuned for the next video.
Look at her pretty reverse Lambo doors.
And I'll bet if she would fit, Lizzo would have a Lamborghini too.